Hey garden friends, it is July here in central North Carolina and the heat and the rain have been relentless this month. So there is so many different things that are changing in the garden and we have just been keeping up. So let's see what's going on with all the changes in the garden. It has been very hot here, hitting temperatures up into the 100s. Between the downpours and the scorching afternoons, some crops just couldn't hold on. We've pulled out cucumbers, zucchini, corn, and even spaghetti squash. They gave us what they could, but now it's time for a reset. So in a previous video, I talked about seeds that we were starting in July, and these guys are looking fantastic. I have some basil that's down here. I have 4 plants of the yellow straight neck squash. I have a couple of zucchini plants. One is a Pantheon zucchini and one is a spineless zucchini. And then I have 3 sweet mamas that are going to go into the ground. Along with that, I have some curly kale and some Russian kale. And this is my other Pantheon right here. I do have some collards that we're going to put in there, a little bit of basil plants. So we have some backup plants to go into all of our empty spots. So now we're just starting to plan out our beds to start filling these up for a nice late summer garden. Next up, we're starting to plan out our fall garden. This is a pivot point for us in order to figure out we need to plan now to see what we need for our fall garden. So we're looking at our seeds and planning out all of our beds to see what plants go in what beds. So more to come soon. So if your garden is in beauty and burnout at the same time, you're not alone in your gardening. So hit that like button below if you want to see more videos about garden updates.